Ask yourself, at some point, something quietly changed. People stopped saying, "I saw it on the news," and started saying, "I saw it online." No announcement, no official handoff. So the question isn't whether social media replaced the news. This isn't about politics. It's not about left or right. It's about how trust works in the human mind and why the internet rewired it. So let me ask you something. When was the last time you commented on a news segment versus commented on a post? For decades, mainstream media trained us to watch. You sat back, you listened, you consumed. But social media changed that. Now you don't just watch, you participate. You like, you comment, you argue, you see replies in real time. And the brain trusts what it participates in more than what it passively receives. But here's a real-world example of this shift. Recently, for the first time in history, a public figure opened up a global social media investigation around a major case. Millions of people participated, asking questions, connecting dots, sharing information together. If thousands of people work together to investigate something, does that feel more trustworthy than a finished report delivered from above? Or does participation create investment? The brain doesn't just process information, it owns it, emotionally and cognitively. And whether you agree with the person or not, something important happened. People trusted the process because they were part of it. This investment creates identity alignment, memory reinforcement, a feeling that the information is real. Even a burning church in history or a viral post today feels true when people are part of the story. Support us by hitting the like, share, comment, and subscribe button. Back to the video. So social media didn't just replace the news, it replaced watching with participating. And that participation creates trust, even when the information isn't perfect. So here's the real question I'll leave you with. Do you think engagement creates truth, or just the feeling of truth? Let me know in the comments.